Hi everyone, I'm Marco. Let me introduce myself. I come from Hong Kong and I like fishing very much. And I would like to share my fishing happiness to everyone. This is my first fishing video and I hope you will like it. In the coming days, I will upload videos twice per week, in every Tuesday and Friday. It was the 9th day of the lunar. The temperature was 19 to 22 degrees Celsius. The wind was strong, east wind level 4 to 5. Our fishing spot today was Hong Kong International Airport. I brought 4 catties of live prawns as bait. The live prawns we brought today were very alive, and we are going to catch sea bass. The fishing tackle I used was a long subline, with YGK number 6 fishing lines as main line, and YGK number 4 fishing lines as subline. The length of the subline is around 1 meter, and I hooked the live prawns as bait. We caught 2 ladyfish finally, as well as 2 threadfin, 1 sea bass and 1 grouper. As this was my first time I did selfie for my fishing, I apologize I missed many shots today. I will have improvement next time. And this is the end of this video sharing. Thanks for watching. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it right now and turn on the notification bell on the right. From the pull-down menu, choose all. Your subscription to my channel is very important to me. If you like my fishing videos, remember to give me a like, share it to your fishing friends, and leave some comments below.